Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the center console from a Tesla Model S. First, ensure your vehicle is completely powered down for safety. Begin by gently prying off the surrounding trim pieces. These often snap into place, so use a non-marring tool. Next, locate and disconnect any electrical connectors you see. Taking your time with these initial steps will prevent damage and ensure a smoother process. Once the trim is off, your next step is to find and remove the fasteners holding the console in place. These are typically screws, often located at the base or sides. Be aware that some might be concealed beneath floor mats or small plastic caps. Always use the appropriate tool for each screw to avoid any damage, making the removal much easier. With all fasteners removed, you can now gently lift the console. Before fully detaching it, double-check for any overlooked wires or clips that might still be connected. Slowly and carefully maneuver the console upwards and out of the vehicle. It can be a bit heavy and awkward, so don't hesitate to ask for an extra set of hands if needed to prevent any accidental scratches or damage. When you're ready to reinstall, reverse the steps carefully. Before putting everything back, take a moment to inspect all components for any wear or damage. Make sure every electrical connector is firmly reattached. Once the console is secured, power up your Tesla and test all functions, like charging ports and storage compartments, before snapping the trim pieces back into place. This ensures everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.